Hey guys, another session coming to an end. Today we opened with this gap up and we didn't fill the gap, we just moved higher and we got an SFP from this range high of ES, which doesn't look very nice to get a reaction at the range high, because then normally I would be looking for range trades. I'm looking for short to range low. So, and I have a long position from the range low of both these tickers. So what I'm looking for is to see if we are going to have a lower high here on the 30-minute. And after that, I want to see, I don't want to see, but if I see a lower low also, then I will start looking for an exit from my long. For example, from the next retracement higher. Like if we go down, make a lower low, then I will be looking for an exit at some level. Because then we are again back in a downtrend on the 30 minutes. Also, this level here, we have golden pocket and the POC of previous year and the POC of previous week. I think that is important level here, even though we didn't have any reaction earlier. So, well, actually we had some reactions there if you look at the 1 minute. You can see we bounced here and some other bounces there. Anyways, I think if we go straight here, I would look for a scalp sword, maybe with SPI 0DT put option or something like that. But otherwise, I'm just looking for the lower highs or lower lows, because otherwise there is no reason to exit the long. Okay, that's about it this time.